How long can I stay on this bumper car for? Wait, go this way.
And now, a word from our sponsors.
Yeah. What is this?
This?
What is this app?
This app right here? You never heard of this?
No.
This right here is Amino Apps. And I'm using the new avatar chat on Amino Apps. Check it out. I was just in a little group chat with some people. I like playing some tunes and like this avatar basically does everything I'm doing. Watch, I'm this little ghost right now. When I close my eyes, he'll close his eyes. When I open my eyes, he'll open my eyes. When I move my head, he'll move his head. Move my head this way, he'll move his head. And very simple, I can even change it to this little monster.
Whoa. You can change avatars and talk with your friends?
Exactly. Now look at this. Now a person. Check this out. There's a bunch of avatars right here. You can like change them while you're talking to people. It's actually a pretty cool feature. The new avatar chat by Amino Apps. Go check it out right now. Right now I'm on the Scrubzah Amino. You already know, download the app right now. Link box down below. Be the first link in the description box down below. Download right now. Add me. My Amino Apps is Scrubzah, guys. Join the Mr. Creepypasta Amino page. This Amino page is lit. There's over 500 people online. So when you go on the chat, the avatar chat will be really effective. There'll be tons and tons of people to talk to. Like I said, Mr. Creepypasta Amino page. I'm on that page. You'll find me there. So add it right now. Join this page and you'll see me there. I'm having a little fun on this. So yeah, let me be and let me just continue with this chat.
I'm going to download that right now.
We now return to your regular programming.
What's going on, Scrubs? Scrubzah here, and I'm back again with another challenge. So today, I'm gonna do the bumper car challenge. So Scrubs, before I move on, please go down below and scrub the like button. Guys, please, 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 please scrub the like button. Make sure the like button is squeaky clean, guys. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I drop a brand new video. And last but not least, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. So Scrubs, that was some time. Let's start this bumper car challenge. Alright Scrubs, I'm gonna tell you one thing. I have a second channel. Yes, a second channel. Second channel is called Scrubs Plays. Go subscribe to that channel right now. I'll leave the link of that channel in the description box down below, or it'll be up here. You already know. Click subscribe, enter your post notifications on for that channel. I know you don't want to miss out. So Scrubs, that was some time. Let's continue with this video. Alright Scrubs, as you can see I'm at the arcade. So this arcade has a bumper car station. So I'm gonna play some arcade games. Then I'm gonna play the bumper cars. I'm gonna do the bumper car challenge. So I gotta warm up these arcade games. So let's go get some tokens and play some arcade games.
$10. Oh.
There we go. 30 tokens. Just like that.
Alright Scrubs, I got my tokens right here. I got 30 tokens. Let's play some games. This game right here is Gear It Up, bonus spin, whatever it is. Oh, so because the bonus, apparently I win 200 tickets. So let's try and win 200 tickets. So I guess I can sit down. Okay, thank you. And 3 tokens. So I have to push this. I have to get into the up. There we go. Up, perfect. Now this one. Up, perfect. This one. Oh, this one I gotta stand up for this one. Up, 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 up. Oh, I gotta miss. I don't think so I win.
Oh, you're about to win 200, eh?
Yeah, I got 23 right there.
You're about to win. Man, you're close. Try it again.
Again?
You're so close. All you have to do is just... Oh.
Okay, let's try this again. Up. The first one is very, very easy. Okay.
Second one's kind of hard.
Boom.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, this one.
There.
Oh! Try it again. Try it again. Try it again.
Probably slow down. Okay. Start has a charm. Here it goes.
Look, you're still getting a lot of tickets.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Up. There we go. Here 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 we go. Oh, yo! It like bounced me away into this. Okay, no, that's enough. 13. So we got 2020. We got like 60 tickets from this game. Very good. Very simple. Check it out. Okay, now let's play another game. Let's see what they have. Alright, Scrubs, right now I'm gonna play Down the Clown. I gotta hit each thing down, and I think, how many tickets can I win? If I get the bonus, I win 500 tickets. As you can see, check it out. Bonus, 500 tickets. I'm not sure if I win the bonus, but let's give it a shot. Alright, I'm ready. How do I start? Oh, there it is. Hey! Hadouken! Yo, I'm missing. What? Oh, yo, it's literally glitched. Yo, it's broken. You die. Yo, they make it like so glitched because there's feathers all around it. What? It's not false left. It didn't knock down. I don't know why it didn't knock down. I hit it like 3 times, didn't knock down. I got 100 points, so I got 10 tickets. No, I got 20 tickets. Guys, this game's glitched. I'm not playing this game anymore. What?
You hit it too hard.
Hold on. Let me retry. I'm pretty sure this is the hack. Hit the hole like this, and drop it. I remember it's not working. Last try, 3rd time's the charm. Over here, and
Oh, you're bad.
so I got 50 tickets.
You're so bad.
Look, it came out of 2 sides. Look, 2 sides. And look how much tickets it gave me. Guys, this machine is hacked. Play this game right here. Well, I can win. Hold it like this. Drop it like this. Boom. Win. Alright, because we try this game right here. It's called Win Every Time. Rapid play permitted. So they want you to use rapid play so you can get on the jackpot. And if you get the jackpot, 232 tickets. So we can do it. Rapid play. Let's do 3 plays. Okay. Yo, why is it like
What's
stuck?
the?
It's like
not
stuck.
even.
What the? Huh? It's stuck. Oh, this is weird. And man. Guys, this one is glitched. This one's the worst. It doesn't spin properly. It went under the thing. It's not supposed to go under the thing. Don't play this. Guys, the boy's gonna kick me out because of the play. Oh my goodness. Alright, Scrubs, right now it's time for bumper cars. As you can see, the bumper cars are right here. I'm gonna go in the bumper car. I'm gonna get on to film me. I'm gonna do some crazy stuff with the bumper cars, do a little swerves, a little drifting. I'm gonna do the bumper car challenge. I'm gonna go as fast as possible with the bumper car. I'm gonna crash in the wall. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be pretty fun, and it's gonna be pretty entertaining. So let me just get a bumper car pass, and let's do this.
Buckle up, it's the law.
Yeah, buckling up all right.
Are you ready, kids? 3, 2, 1. Okay, listen. Come full speed and hit this area right here. Come full speed, and hit it. Man, you're supposed to hit it full speed right here. Can you hit over here? It's an extreme bumper car challenge. You have to hit it hard. Go, 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 go. I swear your neck looks like it cracked. Man, you hit so hard. Okay, look, go straight and then yank the steering wheel and look what happens. Just go straight. No, okay, just go around and come towards me straight. Okay, straighten it out. Now yank it to the side. Oh no, it's supposed to do like a full turn. Okay, try turning it really fast. Try it again. Now switch it, yank it again. The other way. Now do it the other way. There you go. Here, you wanna vlog in there? Here, take it. For the last like 30 seconds.
Okay guys, we're going in here. Hold on. We got this. That? Yeah. Guys, watch this drift. Oh, Tokyo drift. Oh. This is how it's done. Oh snap. Yeah, I'm the best right here. I'm the best driver. Oh, I drifted. I'm stuck in here. Oh, guys, go the other way. Guys, let's go like this. I'll put the chair on off. Oh, get stuck. That's the best. The bumper car challenge. How long can I stay on this bumper car for? Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Oh my goodness. This is better than driving in real life. Look at me. I died. Guys. I'm dying in here. So fun. Buckle up. It's the law, okay? One way, I'm going the opposite direction because I don't like the law. I'm just a pro just like that. So good, so clean. The traffic light says go, but I went the wrong way. I was gonna go in the middle. Let's go the right way now. One way, let's go this way. Oh! It's stuck. The game's over. It's over, guys. Alright, because we're not going to do an arcade hack for this. Check it out. This machine opens up like this. Look. Hopefully there's no one looking. Look. It opens up like this, and you can pick your options, any option you want. So I'm gonna try and do it. I'm gonna put it in, hit it, and make it for 500. Let's see if I can win. Here it goes. Oh, guys, look out.
You have to do it faster.
That's 500. Just 500.
Right there. Man, stop.
100. Guys, I did it. 100.
How's it 100? That's 10.
No, I did it. No, 100. It stops right there, 100. Oh, close it. I got 100 tickets. Guys, we did it. Yo, we did it. 100 tickets, look. Check it out. This hack's so scary. Literally nerve-wracking. We got the light pack. I got the tickets just like that, but we're not gonna use the tickets because we don't really need the tickets. We have enough prices. We've won enough times at the arcade. We really need these tickets. We're just getting them back to the worker, but it's the arcade hack. So check it out. The tickets are coming out just like that. Very simple. 100 tickets. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. Alright, Scrubs, check it out. These are all tickets we won. We did 500 earlier and then another 100 to add to the collection. Boom. All you do is open up paddle down to the number you want, and then you'll win your jackpot. Alright, Scrubs, right now we're just cashing out the tickets. Let's see how many tickets we won. It's going in. Whoa. Cash out all these tickets. Cash out all these tickets. Oh, it's getting caught up. There's a bunch of tickets right here. We're gonna cash them all out. And then we're gonna see how many tickets we won. Alright, Scrubs, before I cash out all the tickets, comment down your guesses down below. Let's see how many tickets we won. Maybe it's over 100, maybe it's over 500, maybe it's over 1,000. Just comment down your guess, and the winner will get free merch. Alright, Scrubs, so I cashed out all the tickets, and the receipts are right here. So we got 637 on that one, and we got 227 on this one, so we got 864 tickets in total. So we got 864 tickets. So if you guys got it right, I'm gonna give you guys free merch. You can't cheat your answers, and no cheaters, so it's 864 tickets. Alright, Scrubs, check it out. This was the bumper car challenge and the arcade challenge. I won a bunch of arcade tickets, and I went on the bumper cars, and I went so fast. I hit the thing so hard, like my neck's already hurting. It was an extreme bumper car challenge. I wanted to change it up and not just do a normal arcade challenge. So I did the bumper car challenge, the extreme bumper car challenge, the crazy bumper car challenge. So Scrubs, it's time to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, Scrubs Plays, link in the description box down below. Don't forget to scrub some merch, scrubs.com, link in the description box down below. And don't forget to send that to my P.O. box. My P.O. box address is in the description box down below. Everything is basically in the description box down below. So Scrubs, don't forget to scrub the like button, don't scrub the comment section, don't scrub some merch, and last but not least, scrub the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next one. Keep scrubbing.